I'm Dahlia, and I'm an artist and an art educator. Today, let's make a still life drawing. That's when you gather objects, place them in front of you, and draw them. Before that, let's take a look at a still life painting at the National Gallery Singapore, painted by Georgette Chen. The title of this painting is called Vegetables and Claypot. Let's take a look. Shall we go to the kitchen and grab some vegetables? We're going to arrange them in front of us, and then I will show you a way to help you draw them. First, you will need art materials. One technique to help you draw is by seeing shapes in objects. Let me show you. Look at these carrots. They almost look like long triangles, don't they? And the chilies are small, slender triangles. How about these tomatoes? Ovals? These mushrooms are slightly irregular ovals with rectangles overlapping them at the bottom. Do these leaves look complicated? Don't worry. Let's break the shapes down. The overlapping ovals are overlapping these long triangles. See? Manageable, right? Look at these vegetables as simple shapes first. You can draw these shapes out lightly on your paper, then look carefully at the details and draw their unique characteristics and details out. When you draw in their shadows as well, your objects will look three-dimensional and real. How did it go? I hope you enjoyed drawing your vegetables. You know, you can always gather other objects around the house, such as these, and then draw them. All you need to do is remember, see the simple shapes within your objects, and then you draw them carefully. Do come down to the National Gallery Singapore to view and experience all the different types of artworks we have on exhibition. You can always bring your own paper and pencil and make some drawings there. Have fun!